Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to perform some activities on refraction of light. What is refraction of light? Before that, I am sure that all of you know about that light travels in a straight line in a transparent medium. This property of light is known as rectilinear propagation of light. So, if a light ray passing through in a medium that travels in a straight line. This property is called rectilinear propagation of light. If a light ray passing this direction in a straight line, can I bend it? Assume that this is air medium. If I have taken here a glass block, if I have taken here a glass block, whenever it travels from air medium to this glass block, that light ray will bend here. So this is how one medium, air to glass, light travels and light propagates. It will bend whenever it enters into one medium to another medium. This is called refraction of light. Whenever light ray travels from one medium to another medium, it bends. This property is called refraction of light. Air as a medium and glass as another medium. If you assume this is the velocity of the light in this air medium V1 and the velocity of the light in this glass medium V2, if V1 is greater than V2, if V1 is greater than V2, the velocity of the light ray in air is faster than the velocity of the light ray in glass medium. This air medium is called as rarer medium. Rarer medium. This glass medium can called as denser medium. It is called as denser medium, not the denser medium. It is denser medium. So whenever light ray enters into this rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray will bend towards the normal. What is the normal here? Whenever the normal line I am drawing here, that perpendicular to that interface, that air medium and glass medium, it is perpendicular. So this is, we can take it as normal. Whenever light enters from one medium to another medium, that rarer medium to denser medium, that light ray bends towards the normal. What happens if the light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium? We'll check it out. Rarer medium and this is denser medium. Whenever we are sending light ray from denser medium, this glass block, denser medium to rarer medium, what happens? That light ray will bend away from the normal. That is, bends away from the normal. What happens then? Whenever rarer light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, that light ray bends towards the normal. Here what happened? Light ray passes denser medium to rarer medium. Denser medium to rarer medium. That light ray will bends away from the normal. So this is called refraction of light. will perform an activity.
Material required: glass slab, clip and laser light. To perform this activity, we have to place the glass slab on a plane surface. I am sending light ray in the perpendicular way, that is a normal for the glass slab. Now I am sending our laser light from rarer medium to denser medium. We can clearly observe that the light ray after refraction bending towards the normal. From rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray is bending towards the normal. Now I am trying to send the light ray or laser light ray from denser medium to rarer medium. Whenever the light ray propagates from denser medium to rarer medium, the ray bends away from the normal. We can clearly observe in this activity the laser light is bending away from the normal. Now we will perform another activity on the same topic, refraction of light. Required material: a plastic box, laser light and water.
Now we'll perform the activity on refraction of light. To perform this, we have to take a plastic box like this. It should be transparent. One side should be transparent. Right here, I have taken a plastic box. Upside, uh, upside air is present there, and downwards water. So this is air medium and this is water medium. I am sending light ray from rarer medium to denser medium. Rarer medium to denser medium. Check what happens. Are you able to see the bend of the light towards the normal? Yes, we can see. The light ray is bending towards the normal. Now, if you check, now the light ray bending away from the normal. While now we'll discuss that how the angle of incident and angle of reflection will change whenever a light ray passes rarer to denser medium and denser to rarer medium. First, we will take the first case. Whenever light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, if this is a light ray passing from rarer medium to denser medium, the angle of incidence will be I. Afterwards, refracting into another medium, it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. So we can take it as the angle R. We can write it as whenever light ray passes through rarer medium to denser medium, angle of I is greater than angle of R. The angle of incident is greater than angle of refraction. Now we'll check whenever a light ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium. A light ray passes denser medium to rarer medium, that light ray will bend away from the normal. So if this is angle of incident I, if you have taken this is angle of refraction, here what happens, the angle of refraction is more than angle of incident. These are the two cases we can discuss about the angle of incident and angle of refraction.